Smelling good is probably my top priority in life, like more than eating, more than sleeping, more than putting my hair and makeup on. Yeah, smelling good is probably number one.
Let me tell you about me. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you. I just worry about me. So you better run.
The tree is up, so you already know what time it is. We are back in our winter season. We are going through my top winter fragrances. Today's video is sponsored by Rebel Scents, which is so freaking exciting. I actually have worked with them before. And what I love about Rebel Scents is that you are getting the perfumes that you could buy at any other store, but for a discount. You are getting the fragrances that you can buy literally anywhere for retail value, but you're getting it for a discount on Rebel. I have rounded up my favorite ones. I am going to put you guys onto because you guys know one thing about me is I have good taste in fragrance. Don't at me. Before getting started, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you guys like self-care videos. I mean, I am the self-care queen. If you guys like self-care, subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. I am trying to get to 50K on there and we are so close. So follow me on Instagram and let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first fragrance I am so excited about because this is a Rebel original fragrance. This is not like a brand that you can buy at any store. It's literally specific to Rebel and it is so long wearing. So this is the Onyx fragrance from Rebel. It's a floral fruity scent. I like this for the daytime. What I love about it is it's not fruity in a childish way. It's very grown and sexy. It almost gives a little bit of a musk. So if you want like that sexy frolicking in a field of flowers, but you kind of just left the jazz club. Guys, I don't know where I get these descriptions from. Just bear with me. Just imagine it, okay? Like close your eyes and imagine. We are frolicking in a field of flowers during the daytime and now we're going home, getting ourselves together and we walk into a jazz club and we get the smell of that. We have that musky night vibe. That's this. It is a combination of day and night. And I love that because that is so rare to find. The Rebel Onyx is $45. You guys have asked me time and time again to pick out some affordable fragrances. This is one of them. And what's so great about Rebel is that they are great gifting perfumes. So if you want to gift your mom, your cousin, your brother, your sister, your aunt, your uncle, something really nice for Christmas or for Hanukkah, this is a great gift that you can give them because it's an affordable perfume. It lasts long. The bottle is gorgeous and it smells divine. Divine, you're welcome. Okay, so the next Rebel scent that I have is Saturn. This is more of a floral powdery smell. I like this fresh out of the shower. I like to literally keep this by my sink. When I get out of the shower, I'll do like a little spritz. It's a vibe. It's a nighttime vibe for me personally, but it's light and sexy. I think this is great for a Netflix and chill. Just saying, this is going to last on your skin all night. And it's just the perfect amount of gorgeous, girly scent, but with a powdery, like clean, fresh scent as well. I love the combination. Again, $45, can't beat it. Cute bottle, good vibe. It's giving what Ariana Grande definitely smells like. Like if I were to imagine what she smells like, it's this. And the last scent that I actually have from Rebel, their own fragrance line, is Hexed. This is giving New Year's Eve. I am wearing this on New Year's Eve. It's giving the ball drops, I get a good kiss. It is a sparkling floral fruity scent. If you were to imagine what a sparkling champagne that actually tastes like fruit would smell like, it's this. It's like champagne with strawberries in it. This right here, Hexed. Again, $45. Can't beat it. Cute bottle, good gift. And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. Okay, so the next perfume that I have, I am so freaking obsessed with because it is so pretty. This is the Lancome Idol, or Idol? No, I think it's Idol. Correct me in the comments if you guys know the pronunciation. But this right here, first of all, the bottle is so sleek. I lay this in my perfume storage, like literally flat like this because it's very thin, but this smells so good. Perfect everyday daytime scent. It's perfect for the winter time because it's not summery at all, but it's not like too wintry that it like smells like pumpkin spice or something like that. It's fruity, but it's girly, it's sweet, it's pretty. It's giving very pretty girl, good girl who showers, cleans herself up, just smells good on the inside, if you know what I'm saying. And it's just giving pink. It's giving pink, 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 everything. So the Lancome Idol is $99 retail, and you are getting a discount, and it's going to cost $79.95. Hello. Okay, this might be like my new favorite fragrance other than Libre, which we'll get to in a minute, but this is the Moschino Gold Fresh Couture. I don't know what took me so long to pick up Moschino's perfumes because everybody has been talking about these perfumes. Not only is the bottle sick and gorgeous, but it is the craziest, most intense, beautiful scent that I've never owned before. It's very peppery, like that's the best way to describe it. It's peppery, but it's fresh, and it's the perfect amount of sweet, and the way it wears with my pheromones on my skin is insane. Like, I am obsessed with this scent. Like, yeah, it's so good. It is giving rich girl vibes. It's giving I'm on a yacht. I don't know, I just love it. Like, you could literally be anywhere with this perfume. It's so good. I don't know what took me so long to pick this up. Like, I'm kind of mad that I haven't owned it up until this point. I know they say not to put perfume in hair, but I do because I wear wigs and I don't really care. This is a great hair perfume. Like, I love to spray it in my hair, and I love this fragrance for the gym. And the Moschino perfume costs $96 and you're getting it for $49.99. Hello, guys, like this is insane. Like, you are getting such a deal. It is a huge bottle of perfume. Again, a great gift for anybody who needs one, and it just smells insane. Next up, we have Versace Crystal Noir. This is so insane, guys. This is giving I'm going to a ball, I'm going to a banquet, I'm going to a gala. This is going to have you smelling mature but not old. There's nothing wrong with getting older, guys, but I'm just saying, like, I don't want you guys to take the mature scent in your mind to a level that's like, dare I say, Chanel No. 5. This right here smells so freaking rich and luxurious and beautiful, and it wears beautifully. The bottle is stunning. It's Versace. You can't go wrong with Versace. Like, to me, Versace is the best. And yes, it's Versace, not Versace. I learned from the best, Donatella. This is giving gorgeous, girly, mature, smells really good. I'm trying to smell good. Like, it's not like gonna be like an effortless smell. It's definitely, I'm wearing perfume, but it's perfect for the nighttime. It's perfect for a night out. It's perfect for if you're going somewhere special, like a wedding, a gala, a banquet, something like that. Just, you know, save this for like your good nights. The Versace Crystal Noir was $82 and now it's $49.99. Pick it up ASAP. ASAP Rocky. Okay, next up we have Kilian Rolling in Love. I have been wanting to get another Kilian fragrance ever since I've had Love Don't Be Shy. And this right here is insane. It smells very different and mysterious. It's kind of similar to Lost Cherry from Tom Ford. So it's giving like a cherry medicine vibe, but not in a bad way. Like, it smells really nice on the skin. Like, if you were to imagine what like that really awful cherry tasting cough syrup smelled like, but like really good, it's this. I like it because it's very unique. I actually like to mix this with like a vanilla fragrance. It just pairs really well. So I'll probably wear this with like Atelier Cologne's Vanilla Incense, and I think it smells so good with that. This is giving nighttime, it's giving date, it's giving I want to smell kind of fruity but not too fruity. It's very mysterious, it's sexy, it's sultry. It's more for my older girls who want to tap into like a more fruity fragrance, but they don't like that daytime fruity fragrance. They want more of like that nighttime sultry, sexy, vibey fragrance. This is gonna be it for you. This is actually giving winter. Like, this is more winter than any of the other fragrances. Like, I would not wear this in the spring or the summer. And this is actually a very pricey perfume. It retails for $240 and you're getting a discount for it to be $219. So pick this up if you're looking for more of like a designer, upscale, gorgeous, nice, good quality fragrance. So the last fragrance that I have for you guys, I wear on a daily basis. I wear it more than any other fragrance that I have at the moment. I didn't open the one that Rebel gave me because I already have it. So this is gonna be my backup. But this is YSL Libre. I don't know what took me so long to pick this up, but let's just say it is the most craziest, most beautiful scent. If you saw me and Aisha's video, we actually talked about this scent and how we are so obsessed with it and we call it like our BFF scent. I wear this almost every single day. I actually wear it every day. It smells so sexy and I get so many compliments whenever I wear it. Like, somebody will always say like, oh, you like smell like really good. Like, that's exactly how they say it. You smell like really, really, really good. Like, what is that? And I love that like reaction from people. Like, YSL Libre is the scent to have at the moment. Like, now that I have it, I can't live without it. And I'm probably gonna go through it so fast. I already have went through it so much and I've had it for like, this bottle I've had for like a month, and this one I obviously haven't opened yet, but I have went through this already so much and I'm obsessed with it. This is giving daytime, nighttime, in the middle of the day, it doesn't matter the time. This is insane. Like the smell, I can't even describe it to you. It's not floral, it's not musky, it's not fruity. It's like a combination of all three, but like you can't even tell which one it is more of. So just pick it up or go and smell it at like your local store, but then buy it on Rebel Scents because it's a discount on there. It's in my hair. Like I'll take my wig off at the end of the night, I'll smell it, I'm like, oh my God, like it just smells so good. This is giving first date. This is giving wifey. This is giving I'm getting a ring tomorrow. And it's just gonna have you smelling insanely beautiful. Make sure if one of these scents really fits how you're feeling, you think that you need like a new winter scent, pick it up through Rebel. Why wouldn't you? It's literally a way to grab affordable scents and be able to get them discounted when they are literally the fragrances you could buy somewhere else full price. I find that this is like an incredible genius website and everybody should get their hands on something, especially now that the holiday season is coming up. Also, I want to say that there is a men's collection available, even though I do believe a lot of these scents are unisex. Like I would wear them no matter what gender I am. I just wanted to put out there that there are men's fragrances on the website. Karna is also available. You are going to love all of the amazing options they have. They have like so many different perfumes on the site. You guys are gonna die. Yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure that you guys let me know down below what fragrance you guys have, if you have any of them, or which one you're gonna pick up for the holiday season. I hope you guys can smell me through the screen because when I tell you these perfumes have my entire house now smelling so good, I mean it. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Shop Rebel down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Well, bye guys.